Good evening. How's it going? Today is Thursday. We have just only 1 day until the weekend come. Okay. Today I'd like to practice the sales talk on the booth of the exhibition. As I mentioned in the previous video, I'm going to India to attend the exhibition as a booth staff. And in this video, I will show you some specific product and company name while speaking. I'm driven by a desire to enhance my speech ability and sales talk because I just really eager to prepare the exhibition and make the most of my opportunity of attending this real market. I am a software engineer, so it's quite rare for me to visit overseas as well as the exhibition. And it's a really good chance to not only expand and enhance my ability, but also know the market we are working on and get the connection with key person or key company for which we can contribute them with our product. So that's why I just pretend B2 or C1 in CEFR are within only this domain where I'm working, where the product market I'm working on. Okay, let me start it. I works at Hyoki, which developing electric measurement instrument, and my department is developing auto testing equipment for circuit board, where both bare board and populated circuit board is our merchandise. And coming exhibition we are showcasing the FA 2012 no FA 1220 and FA 1240, which is used for testing the populated circuit board. We call it ICT, in circuit tester. And okay, let me play just like role play. Okay, I'm standing in front of my company's booth, and Indian customer is passing by our booth. Okay, this is temporary situation. I just want to practice. Okay. Hi, hello, welcome to Hyoki. Are you looking for high precision testing or any other testing equipment are you looking for? Ah, we are running the demonstration of our equipment. Why don't you come and see this demonstration? Okay, thank you. Our company is developing auto testing equipments for circuit board, which is both populated board, circuit board, and bare board. In this exhibition, especially we show we are showing in-circuit testing equipments which is for populated circuit board. And here, this is FA 2012, no, 1220, made in India. And of course, it's designed in India. Okay? And this type of equipment is jig type. In another way, they call it bed of nails type. Let me show you. Now put this board into the equipments and press the start button. The machine is moving. 1 second. And okay, inspecting has been done already. It takes just only a couple of seconds. Okay? Because this equipment requires test fixture where the pins for testing is already allocated to each part of the specific board. So, in other words, at first, you have to order this specific fixture and before you use this equipment. After that, what you should do is just only press the start button. This is like perfect choice for mass production. To be honest, if you have a wide variety of boards and if you have to change the board within 1 day, like if your production is similar to high mix, low volume production at a different board, then we truly recommend next over here model FA 1240. This is Flying Probe Tester. See, there are 4 independent robot arms, and each arm has probes which is going to specific part of the board. Can you see it? Hey, each arm is moving very quickly and precisely. In this board, there are so many parts, and each arms are moving to the specific part, and when it contact, and then testing its will start. And after that, the arm is going to another point where the part exists, and then inspection will start. Okay, this is one step, and this step will be done repeatedly for another point. This is flying probe type, and the advantage is that you can change your testing data, which allow you to change the board, testing board, and then you can start immediately. Like no jig, and that means you don't have to cost for the jig. If your production is high mix, low volume at different boards, it's perfect choice. On the other hand, as I mentioned, jig type testing equipment, that 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 testing equipment's pins hits the part at the once. I mean, all pins will contact all parts at once, since there are jig and where the pins are already allocated to all parts. This is the reason. That's why if you press the button and then after only 1 second or 0.5 second, all pins already contacted. What should the machine will do is that just only testing. That's why testing will be done for a second. But if you change the kind of the board frequency, then I strongly recommend to use FA 1240 flying pop tester. Okay. This is all products we are showing. And there's one thing I'd like to talk about. Beyond this product, we are really focusing on bare board market, and we have the cutting edge technologies to contact more precise part and sensitive contact. And our brand new products, as a brand new products, we have FA8050 and FA23. This is made for the semiconductor testing, like package board and probe card. What Hioki product stands out is how precise contact these merchandise have. So, if you have any challenging situation where we can contribute to your product line, I just like to know about your challenges. Please let me know. May I exchange my business card? I will send you more detailed information and catalog by email. Oh, thank you. Okay. Have a nice day. How was it? This is my role play in the exhibition, and this is the first time for me to do role play in this situation. Actually, I've also it's the first time for me explain and walk you through my merchandise. And what I'm frustrated a bit is just I couldn't explain the more detailed information what I mean is YouTube is public video hub. That means everyone can see. That's why confidential information is not allowed to explain here. But once I exchange the business card, and as long as I understand the customer is not related to our competitor, then I can show you more the detailed information. So that means I just want to practice to talk about the more details, but unfortunately I couldn't. That is a bit frustrating for me. Okay, anyway, thank you for joining my video as well. I'm really glad to see you every time. Thank you. See you soon.